Salesforce Community Cloud connects employees, customers, and partners, enhancing communication and collaboration. It offers personalized experiences and real-time data sharing, boosting productivity and partner success. This platform is flexible, fitting any business demand, and serves as a portal, help forum, or support site, streamlining business processes efficiently. Understanding Community Cloud licenses is essential for effective external user engagement. Choose from Partner Community, Customer Community Plus, and Customer Community licenses, each offering unique features and access levels. Selecting the right license ensures optimal collaboration and communication, tailored to your business needs. The Customer Community license is perfect for large user bases, supporting customer portals and peer-to-peer forums. It's ideal for communities with thousands to millions of users, offering a scalable solution for businesses aiming to enhance customer interaction and engagement efficiently. Customer Community Plus license offers advanced features for both business-to-business and business-to-consumer use cases. It includes access to reports, dashboards, and advanced sharing options, enhancing data-driven decision-making and collaboration. This license is ideal for businesses seeking to leverage comprehensive analytics and sharing capabilities without involving sales cases. Partner Community license is ideal for business-to-business, offering access to Salesforce objects like leads and opportunities. It's perfect for managing partner relationships, enhancing collaboration with resellers and dealers. This top-tier license supports complex sales processes through distribution channels, ensuring seamless integration and communication. Community Cloud offers diverse experiences, extending business processes for customers and partners, while integrating third-party data seamlessly. It enhances communication, allowing personalized customer interactions and efficient problem-solving. This flexibility supports various business demands, creating branded experiences with Salesforce Content Management System and delivering content across channels, boosting collaboration and productivity. Build and customize communities to meet specific needs, enhancing customer engagement through self-service experiences. Create vibrant communities by identifying active members and enabling skill endorsements. Integrate e-commerce for seamless purchasing and utilize the Community Management Console for insightful analytics. These features foster a dynamic environment, driving collaboration and communication across your organization. Accelerate partner sales by directly connecting with resellers and distributors. Share contacts, leads, and records seamlessly, centralizing pricing and inventory. Enable partners with action rights to convert leads and approve marketing funds. Track partner performance using customizable reports and dashboards, ensuring alignment with business goals. Enhance employee productivity with secure social and mobile file access. Collaborate on projects, share files, and foster innovation through structured discussions and activities. Create groups for teams, events, or projects, and integrate video. Access information with auto-generated topic pages, enabling employees to find experts, get updates, and contribute ideas, fostering a more innovative workplace. Manage the entire order lifecycle across channels with Salesforce Community Cloud. Centralize content management using the Content Management System workspace, allowing seamless content creation and updates. Collaborate effectively on personalized content development, ensuring your business communication is both efficient and engaging. Salesforce Community Cloud significantly enhances business communication, offering flexible solutions tailored to diverse needs. By leveraging its capabilities, organizations can improve collaboration and productivity, ensuring a seamless connection between employees, customers, and partners. Consider integrating this powerful tool to drive success and innovation in your business operations.